Hey guys, so today I'm actually going to be doing a review on the apple cider vinegar rinse. This is my first time trying this. I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys. It does not smell great, but it has so many benefits and only 2 cons that I could find. So I was like, why not? So let's get started. What I did now was I added 3 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. It ends up being a little bit under 2 ounces. Now we're gonna pour that into the water bottle. Now you are going to take about 1 cup of cool water. And now you're going to pour that into your water bottle. Your spray bottle, you know. And this is what it looks like. Okay guys, so I actually already went ahead and wet my hair and detangled it so that I could apply the apple cider vinegar evenly throughout my scalp and hair. If my hair was dry, that would have been a little hard. So here's my apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna part my hair how I would if I was conditioning. So part it into sections. While I section it, I'm gonna talk to you guys. Here we are with that stuttering. I'm gonna talk to you guys about the pros and the cons. I did my research and I wanted to share it with you guys so you don't have to do the research. So I'm gonna start off with cons because there was only 2 that I found. One was if you have very fine or thin hair, then apple cider vinegar rinse might not be for you because it can cause breakage. Another con that I found was if you do not dilute the apple cider vinegar with enough water, then you can burn your scalp. Now, they did say that doesn't normally happen, but it is still a possibility, which is why I think I added extra water in my spray bottle, just to be cautious. I'm gonna start off by spraying my scalp and working my way down. This definitely stinks, so make sure you're not doing it in a t-shirt that you plan on going out in later. So those were the 2 cons that I found. So now I'm gonna tell you guys the pros. The first pro is that it balances your scalp and hair pH, okay? That's the main thing. That's one of the main things that I kept finding is about how it balances your scalp pH, which is good for like if you're getting dry scalp, dandruff, itchy scalp. So it helps with that. Wow, this actually feels good in my hair, which I'm surprised because it don't smell good, but it feels good. Another pro is that it closes your hair cuticle, which allows less frizz, smoother hair, shinier hair, easy to detangle. I'm gonna keep going, I got a list. Less prone to breakage. Another benefit, yeah, that just went all over me. Another benefit is that it contains something called alpha hydroxy, which is really good for anti-inflammation of the scalp. And that also helps exfoliate the scalp. Now I'm gonna tell you guys the steps that I was told to do. First, you dilute it with water. After you dilute it with water, you're gonna let it sit in your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes as you would a deep conditioner. You want to make sure that you are getting your entire scalp. 2 last things before I throw this in a cap and then go rinse it out. I saw that you can do this once every week or once every 2 weeks. Me personally, I would definitely do something like this once every 2 weeks. Another thing is when you try to look up like the recipe, like how much you should put of the apple cider vinegar to water, you see different things. So I honestly did only 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and then 1 cup of water, just because that con had said that too much apple cider vinegar could burn your scalp, and I did not want to risk that. So maybe later I'll make it more potent, but for now, that's what I did. So now let's go put this in a cap. And we're back. So I washed out the apple cider vinegar. Now, thankfully, when you wash it out, it does not smell like apple cider vinegar anymore, like at all. So it's like it was never even in your hair. Woo! So this is what my curls look like. Obviously no products. You see the shine that they were talking about in my hair. Ooh, wait till I get my camera. It's over for y'all when I get my camera. I'm gonna be posting like 8 times a week. What I'm also gonna do for you guys is I wanna see if all those benefits were actually, you know, like real. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is, I'm gonna come back in a couple days. Obviously I'm gonna edit this all together, but I'm gonna come back in a couple days to let you guys know how it treated my scalp. Right now my scalp feels great, but that's right now. So I'm gonna give it like 2 days and then come back and let you guys know how my scalp is feeling after that. And yeah, and as I promised, we are back 3 days later to give you the update on the apple cider vinegar rinse. So wow. So my main reason for using the apple cider vinegar rinse was because of my scalp, right? So I didn't want to just use it one day and then be like, yeah, okay, my scalp feels great. No, I wanted to give it a couple days to see if, you know, it really set into my scalp and it really provided the benefits that it said that it was going to provide, and it did. So my scalp feels amazing, and it's been 3 days later and I'm like fine. No itchiness, no dryness. My hair came out amazing after I did the apple cider vinegar rinse. Like, this is 3 days later. You gotta go watch that video. I'll link it at the end of this. But yes, so the benefits are a go. They're a yes for me. So I will be incorporating that apple cider vinegar rinse every 2 weeks. So I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, like, comment. You guys know the deal. Engage with me. Let's go. Till next time.